like I mentioned. It's nice and hot. You just want to fry these down really quickly. So I've got some onion and I've also got some. So we're going to toss that around. Now, I hope these herbs are coming back because I'm going to use them. I know they usually go walking.
Oh God, that's
My reconciliation week has been a big week all around the country, and it's great that it's starting to be recognised in its capacity as a food. Hey, we've got our carrot and onion in there as well. Might get a spoon from out the back as well. So just frying that off very quickly. And with that, I'm going to add a little bit of the desert flake. Now, the desert flake, if you go to our website, www.blackolive.net.au, another shameless plug, you'll get to see what's on there, what's been happening, where we're going. You can go to Facebook and like us, even though I'm not into a crack book or anything like that. It's brilliant. A different type of media. Okay, we've got a little bit of wattle seed, we've got the kuchera. We've also got in there some of the sea parsley.
They're marinated as
So we've got the kangaroo meat here, we've already seared that off inside. Nice and warm up here, but you can tell me the best way to eat kangaroo meat? Sausages. Yeah. Kangaroos are around the country this time of year, but also NAIDOC week. Who gets involved with NAIDOC week? NAIDOC week is an exciting week. Okay, what we're passing around now is, like I said, crocodile's great on your shoes and over your shoulder, but they taste nice when they're tandoori as well. So with the tandoori, there's been a little bit of lemon myrtle in there. Like, they're pretty big pieces, so you might want to share it with a buddy. Now, there's another lot getting around as well, and what I've done with that, I've added another herb to that and crusted that as well. Okay, now just putting a little bit of bok choy in there. And with this, once I cut down the kangaroo, because I'm going to shave it really quickly, and like I said, the best way to cook kangaroo is rare to medium rare. So, and it's always good to cut kangaroo across the grain as well. So it's like any meat, cutting it across the grain, you get a more tender cut, so you find that grain. And this is the way you should have your kangaroo, medium rare to rare. So we're going to try a little bit. Now, who likes to have meat? This is basically still skimming, so
yes.
So it is very tender. So what we're going to do is shave this right down, and I'm just going to add that through with the rest of it. But with this, I'm going to put a native fruit sauce through it. Who's had quandong here? I know it sounds like something made of latex, but it's a quandong, and it's a native fruit, grows well up in Queensland, but also down in Victoria and in New South Wales, and in Western Australia grows really well as well. So this is the way we need the kangaroo, very tender. Now the best cut of the kangaroo is the tail fillet. So the tail fillet is sitting just above the tail. You've also got the loin fillet, really nice and tender. Has a little bit of sinew through it though, but again, really nice. Okay, now with this, I'm just going to bung that in with the veg. Now look, you can add noodles to this if you want as well. Put a little bit of saltbush in there. I think those herbs have gone walking. A bit worried. Okay, we've got a little bit of saltbush in there as well. Also got the mountain pepper. Now, if the lemon myrtle can make its way back, that'll be handy. Got a little bit of the mountain pepper.
I'll go and find them now.
It's okay.
Yeah, they're coming, they're coming.
That's good. Okay, so just a little bit of oil in there as well. As mentioned, kangaroo meat is a very dry meat.